Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show how to enable notifications for completed downloads in the Google Chrome app. If you've ever downloaded a file and then forgotten to check if it finished, this setting will make your life a lot easier. Let's get started. First, open the Google Chrome app on your phone. Make sure you're on the main browser screen. Next, look at the top right corner and tap on the three dots. This opens the Chrome menu where you'll find all the important settings. From the menu, scroll down a bit and tap on Settings. This is where you can customize how Chrome works for you. Once you're inside Settings, find and tap on Notifications. This section controls what alerts Chrome can send to your device. Now make sure that Allow Notifications is turned on. If it's off, Chrome won't be able to notify you about anything, including downloads. Just tap the toggle to enable it. After that, tap on Notification Categories. This is where you can fine-tune exactly what kind of notifications you want to receive. Scroll through the list until you find Completed Downloads. When you see it, simply toggle it on. And that's it. From now on,